Hello distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Do you know that the world population has now hit approximately 8 billion people? That's some amount of people on this earth, right? Now, it's amazing that out of this number, only about 1.35 billion people speak English. Now you'll agree with me that English language has become one of the most important of the languages of the world, right? So now what we have going on in the last 10 years is that there is an increase in the number of people trying to learn English. And it's important for us to recognize this fact because it presents a vital opportunity for anyone who wants to make money. So if you're here and you're watching this video and you can speak English very well, you know you can speak English very well, then you can monetize that. I remember a couple of years back I was in China and I met a friend named Jack. You know, we took some time. Jack taught me some Mandarin while I taught him some English, and he was super excited. Now, the things I'm bringing your way today is an opportunity for you to make money online by simply teaching English. And by this, I'm not talking about some advanced level English language. No, just some basic English communication. And some of these opportunities require you to only just chat, right? So if you check online, I'm sure you're going to see a lot of platforms and websites where people learn English. And some of them you require an English degree or previous experience in teaching English, right? So, but I took time to search out some where you don't have to have an experience, where you don't have to have a degree in English, and where you don't have to prepare your scheme of work or lesson. So basically, I'm bringing your way two very important platforms where you don't have to have a degree, like I said, and then they prepare your lesson for you, and all you have to do is deliver it to the students or to the learners, right? So if you just sit back and pay rapt attention while I take you through. So without wasting your time, number one is Sky English. I'm dropping the website or the link in here in the comment section as well as the description section of this video, so you can click on it and then go into their site and do your registration. So you basically do a simple free registration and then they will take you through 4 questions. Now what I will advise you is that while you're answering those questions, it's going to be voice note. So you read the question, you have the time to think about that. You don't need to answer immediately. So you can take your time to think about it, organize your thoughts, look up some of the points if you have to, and then you do the voice recording. When you're done with the first one, the second question will come out, you read through it, organize your thoughts, and then you record your answer to it, 4 questions, and then you submit. You know, you get a response that they will get back to you within a day or 2, but from experience they usually will get back to you within 2 hours, right? Now if you pass that, you're ready to start lecturing. Now these people will give you the lesson. All you need to do is go through it, and then they bring the students for you. You create the schedule, know when is your time or when is your session to lecture. You just come online, teach the students or the learners, and then ta-da, you make your money, and they try to pay you on the go. Now I thought that's interesting. Now if for any reason you don't pass the test, you can always retake the test. So that brings me to the second platform. The second platform is simply called Cambly. And as usual, the link is here. All you need to do is go in there, register. Registration is free. When you've done your registration, now Cambly takes a little bit, it's a little bit more detailed because you need to fill in your bio, tell them a little bit about yourself, do a short video recording that will be like welcome or introduction of who you are. It pops up on their website so that the potential clients, learners and students can see that. Now, it's important for you to market yourself very well because most of the time it is the students that actually pick the teachers, right? So you do those recordings, you fill in your bio, fill in your experience. If you want to upload your certificate, it's optional. You fill all of these things and then you are in, you start getting clients and start making money. Now, how cool is that, right? That you can sit back at your home. The simple fact that you can speak English is an asset that you can transfer to other people and you make money. Now, as you start teaching with these people, and I must warn you that their pay is not the highest it can be. I think on the average, you earn about $5 to $10 an hour doing this lecture. But there are other platforms where you can earn $15, $20 an hour. Just as some of these will require an English degree. So if you're here and you have an English degree, you can feel free to find all of these platforms. But I chose these two specifically because among those that don't require degrees, these are the highest paying ones. And so I picked it so it can be like a stepping stone for anyone who wants to delve into this area to start out. And by the time you gather experience on these two platforms, you can use that as an asset to launch you into this other higher paying job. But by all means, start making money, and I'll see you in the next video.
Money, leadership, and man. Money, leadership, and man.